Punch it, chicken. Full restart, 25 laps. Let's crown a champion at the end of this. Brucker goes to the high side. They go 3 wide. And rockets to the front. Your reigning champ, he wants to go, I want to be back-to-back 2-time champion. Funny thing is he's the only driver to win multiple championships in one season. Brucker actually looks like he's put a little bit more space between himself and second place Josh Carey. Watched it this season. You saw it last season too. Coming to win back-to-back championships. Ladies and gentlemen, your Angels Creative Landscaping Legend champion, Steven Brucker. Josh Carey comes in second. Want to know how many laps we're doing? 25 to completion of this one. What you say, Josh? You like it? Punch it, chicken, and let's go! Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock Racing. As leaders coming by him now. Tom Gray forcing the issue. Guevara went wide. Stepped almost a full line up on his exit out of 2. Guevara still there. Now he sees Gray. Guevara going a little wider. Here comes the Gray Ghost underneath. At the line, it was Tom Gray. As Gray bringing Kearns with him. They go 3 wide in turn 2. Here comes Kearns. Kearns is there. Tom Gray trying to hold the line. He tried, but Tom Gray going to win. Oh. Slam. Bumping and banging on the dirt on a Saturday night. Gotta love it. Oh, we got one facing the wrong way, and the yellow comes out. But the red, white, and blue, you know what? Going to win a main tonight. Who is the 18X? Terror tonight. Ooh. Pierce Weaver. Bumping and banging there. Gets past the 95 horn. Oh, your leader went way out there. Gave that spot up, I do believe, but Planty is dead in the water in 3 and 4, trying to get that thing going again. We may have a yellow. We definitely have a yellow now, ladies and gentlemen. Holy. Green comes out, punch a little chickens, back to laps to count. I do believe this could be her first main event win. Indeed. Zara Lombardi coming in second. Martin makes it back to third. Taylor Horgan going to be fourth. And Pierce Weaver going to come in fifth. Turn and burn. This one going to 20 laps to completion. This is your Animal 125 main event. 34. Something happened. We've seen it already on the dirt tonight. Looks like 34 is, I have Lila Smith in that thing. Carter Kendrick, sponsored by Shumash Casino Resort, 907 Wine, Kendrick Racing, K-Fab, and Taylor Whitefield Racing. Whooping on it all night. He's had a great day here at Havasu 95 Speedway, and he's going to win your 125 main event here this evening. Upset on a racetrack last week. Midwest car went over in turn 1, cleared the catch fence. A little pony stock, not pony, Hornet division. So any size car can go over. Punch it, chicken. Let's go modified racing. the difference between your first and second place. Now, Brucker saw him change his line right there as he entered 3. Brucker's going to have to do something different. Following Guevara rounds worked halfway through, time to figure out something else. Brucker's there. Guevara knows he's there. Guevara defends that lower line. Racing each other pretty clean here on a Saturday night. Oh, Brucker came with a head of steam. Guevara woed him up. Brucker let him know he's there again. Still Guevara at the line. 3 to go. Guevara rolls into 1 and 2. Brucker goes to the high side. Going to try to take a head of steam on the back straightaway. It's a drag race as they go along the back straightaway into turn 3. Guevara on the bottom. Brucker on the high side. Ladies and gentlemen, coming out of 4. William Guevara going to win your 602 modified main event here this evening. 50 laps coming at you, ladies and gentlemen. Now getting your street stocks. Here they come. Punch it chicken. It's Brian Pannon. Punch it chicken. Lap 7. Now the back 4, back 3 now, I would watch it to see him come through the field. Meanwhile, Orozco, Grady, Vermillion, top 3 on this restart. Oh, man. Lap traffic. Grady going underneath. Orozco saw it. Now Orozco's got to tuck in underneath. New leader, Orozco. Wow, Orozco rockets down the back straightaway, though. Legendre had nowhere to go, leaders. Oh, man, that was just a racing incident, but hey, a new leader. And the guy from New Mexico likes how it looks in the lead in Arizona as he's got one of the hot shoes in this series and at this track behind him. And the 09 stopped on the track after getting black flagged. This could get interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Back to laps and count. All right, nice little cleanup there. And on this restart, it's Grady, Orozco, Hovdahl, and Rodriguez still fighting for real estate. Rodriguez trying to get down in front of Secord. Just about dove, and Secord loses it as they come out of 2. And we will be yellow. Watch the restart. Grady gets him mowed up. Orozco's right there. Orozco looking for it. Punch it chicken. The green is out. Good start for Grady. Good start for Orozco. Good start for Hovdahl, too. We got 2 around in turn 2. Not sure how that came about, but the yellow is out. I was watching a couple of other battles. Is this restart going to help him? Let's watch. Well, they went way wide behind Vermillion. That was delay. Wonder if that was part of the equation or who knows. Well, let's watch. And if you would like to follow along. Oh, and Grady made a mistake. Coming out of 4. They're door handle to door handle. Grady got back in it. Grady got into Orozco. Orozco got the lead out of 2, but Grady's still there. Orozco on the 5 on the bottom. Grady still on the high side. And I said, watch out for Hovdahl. He's coming too. Having an issue in 1, 2, 3, 4 corners tonight. And now the 4th corner. Oh, and the 44, we're getting reports that he oiled down. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Didn't even pull off. Just oiled down the track. How many think Jeremy Orozco is going to pull this one out tonight? How many think Jason Grady, visiting from New Mexico, is going to spoil Mr. Orozco's party? We're about to find out right now. Punch it, chickens, let's do it. Vermillion had to step out. The 11 got wide in 2. He's still on the high side of delay. That's for 4th. But in about a lap and a quarter, it's not going to matter what they do. The white flag comes out for the number 5. Jeremy Orozco goes into 1 and 2. He rolls out of 2. Says, catch me if you can, but you can't. Hovdal's got Brent Delay battling with him for 3rd. Delay on the high side got into Hovdal, but your main event winner, Jeremy Orozco, ladies and gentlemen. Jason Grady going to come in 2nd. Brent Delay into 3rd. Hovdal scored 4th. Alex Rodriguez 5th. 6th is Darren Secor, Brian Panner, Ryan Daniel, Mike McKeon, Curtis Burns, your top 10. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that for a street stock main event?